Morning folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're off to the Düden waterfalls and we're going to do some photography there. I've brought the Panasonic FZ1000. Whether we'll need a tripod I don't know, depends on the quantity of water that's going to be flowing over the top of the cliff into the sea. There is another set of waterfalls up the Düden waterfalls. They're a good distance away, so we've headed here on the bus. We're off to do a little bit more photography. I've spotted a few birds as well, so we're going to probably take a few photos of them. So as we walk along the cliff top here, and it's quite nice, there's little park areas and things for people to sit and just admire the view and spend a little bit of time with on their own, relaxing, or with the family. There's picnic tables and things like that, which really nicely done. And don't know if you could hear in the footage earlier, they were cutting the trees and things like that, so they obviously take care of how it looks. Now it was forecast to rain today and we're now experiencing it. Yep, this is rain in Antalya. Just a few spots, nothing too much to worry about at the moment. The clouds quite high and quite light looking, so hopefully we're not going to get too wet. Another great viewpoint behind us. We're still a good way from the falls, clearly. We can't hear them. So here we are, Düden Park, finally. And now we're going to check out the waterfall, see if we can get some photos taken. Finally, here they are, Düden waterfalls. This is the lower falls, and time to unpack the camera and see if we can get some good shots. And they are very impressive, got to admit, with all that water cascading down. Don't think I'm going to need any ND filters or anything like that to slow that water down at all. I think it's going to be pretty much use a polarizer, that'll be about it, in case the sun's hitting off it. But other than that, I think we're going to get some good shots. So I know I did say I wasn't going to be using any filters. I just thought, no, yeah, I'll see if we can get some nice blurred imagery with all that water coming down. So yeah, I've tried the ND4, which had kind of mixed results, and I ended up pulling out the 10 stop as well, the pig iron 10 stop filter, and we'll see what those images look like. So put them up on the screen now if I'm happy with them. I was hoping for some movement in the clouds, but the clouds really aren't moving a lot today, which is a shame, because I'd have loved to have seen the blurred water and a lovely blurred sky, but I don't think that's going to happen today. They're fairly static, there isn't a lot of breeze, which is good for some things, because having a breezy microphone isn't great. So while you win some on some things, you don't on others. But I'm going to continue to take a few shots, maybe move around a little bit more, see if I can get something else. And yeah, cracking viewpoint, lovely waterfalls, great day so far. Just hope the images do it justice. I don't know if you can see down there's a boat coming in, and that's the other way to see these falls, is to take a boat trip and get quite close. I think some of them even sort of back in very, very close to the waterfalls, and you get a good soaking with the spray. But as my missus doesn't like boats, that wasn't going to be happening anytime soon, so we're definitely up here and admiring the view from this height. So I've switched now to landscape mode, and I'm going to try some shots like that. Again, I've got the 10 stop on in about a 30-second exposure. We're going to see how they come out. I do find that the FZ1000, just 25mm, isn't quite as wide as I'd like it. I'd like to get the whole of the headland in, but that's not going to happen. Another issue I've got is the proximity to this fence rail, so anytime anybody moves on it, sometimes I've just been knocking the tripod a little bit. I just have to keep taking another shot, moving it around, trying not to get it anywhere near the posts, because there is a little bit of movement in them and people keep resting on them, and of course it springs back and knocks the tripod a little bit. But everybody's got a right to be here, you know, fantastic location. So yeah, everybody's here taking photos with their phones and things like that, so I think I'm the only one with a camera, but that's nothing new, is it? So we'll get these shots taken and see how they come out. So that's it from here, from Düden Falls. Thoroughly enjoyed the visit. Great falls, fantastic location, hopefully some great images. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time in another video.